Another Big Dig episode. I'm recording after dark because it is October, the first weekend of October. The days are getting shorter, and if I had taken the time to make a video when it was daylight, I would never have gotten this work done. Anyway, it was, let's see, does a light show it if I go this way? That wall. Anyway, I was just a few days ago really happy to get the last of the foundation repair done. Since then, I've parged the wall, too dark to see that, and put a bunch of tar goo on it, and I've chased it back to the very end of the Big Dig is where it started here. As I said, it is early October, and the weather is just going to get worse and worse. So I chased it back. I got pretty much a straight line going from where that's where it starts, that's where it ends. I chased it down. I got about 60 feet of each of these. The footer drain, there's about 60, well, with the branch and stuff, there's maybe 70 feet of that stuff I put in, and this 65 feet, something like that. A lot of pipe buried all the way back down to the street, and I got to get this done. Looking at the weather report for the next week, well, I've been blessed thus far with this Big Dig thing here. There has only been one really huge rainfall, and boy, when that rainfall occurred, there was so much erosion and stuff going on here. All this dirt here, I don't even know if it shows in the camera, that all eroded down in here. This was pretty much cleared out. So today I figured let's get busy and get this thing done already. So I put my parge coat on here. I got the whole thing prepped all the way up to the thing, but I only got so much time in a day. So I got the bottom 2 feet here parged, and one of the last things I want to do with this is, well, it's been close to an hour since I finally smeared this stuff on here with a trowel, and I'm learning how to do that as I go here. I've never done anything quite like this before, and well, I got it pretty well coated, but the last thing I'm going to do here is just put some water on it like this. Like I said, this has sat for maybe about an hour since I did my trowel stuff. Now I'm taking a really sweet horsehair brush and just gonna kind of brush everything in here, and hopefully I will have covered every little pore. We don't want, so the rain is coming, and I am all the way down to the footer here with this parging thing. I figure if I'm trying to waterproof a basement, I gotta go right to the bottom. And beyond this point, I really don't seem to have any leakage problem. It's just been in this little section here where I did that foundation repair thing. That seems to have been the big source of leakage into the basement. And well, this is like a precautionary measure. So I'm going to continue doing this brush thing here, and then after it cures for at least 3 days, once the rain comes, it's probably going to take a week before I can finally get the tar on this. Once I've done that, then I can go ahead and put my drain pipes in and the gravel, and finally get around to backfilling this hole, because, well, I'm really tired of having a huge hole in my driveway.